Welcome back to the channel, Coin Lovers. The 1958 Lincoln Wheat Penny. This humble coin, minted in the final year of the Wheat Penny series, carries history, intrigue, and in some cases, serious value. Whether you're a beginner collector or just curious about coins, stay with us as we uncover the secrets behind this fascinating piece of American history. The Lincoln Wheat Penny, first introduced in 1909, was designed to honor the 100th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth. It was the first U.S. coin to feature a real historical figure, breaking away from the traditional symbolic designs. Created by sculptor Victor David Brenner, the coin features Lincoln's portrait on the obverse and two wheat stalks on the reverse, symbolizing prosperity and unity. The year 1958 marked the final production year of the wheat penny before the design transition to the Lincoln Memorial reverse in 1959. This makes the 1958 coins particularly significant. They represent the end of an era. The D Mint mark indicates that the coin was struck at the Denver Mint, one of the major U.S. minting facilities. Although millions of 1958 D pennies were produced, their historical significance lies in their position as the last of the wheat series. This alone makes them a staple in many coin collections. The 1958 D Lincoln Wheat Penny carries several distinct features that collectors closely examine. On the obverse, you'll find a right-facing portrait of Abraham Lincoln, along with the inscriptions "In God We Trust" above, "Liberty" to the left, and the date 1958 to the right. Just below the date is the small D Mint mark, indicating its origin from the Denver Mint. The reverse side showcases two wheat ears framing the inscriptions 1 cent and United States of America, with the motto E Pluribus Unum displayed above. This classic wheat design is beloved by collectors and is instantly recognizable. In circulated condition, these coins often show wear on Lincoln's hair, cheek, and jawline, as well as smoothing on the wheat stalks. However, even circulated coins can hold value depending on their condition, strike quality, and any unique minting errors. Some rare variations in errors associated with the 1958 D penny include die cracks, off-center strikes, and repunched mint marks. While these are uncommon, they can significantly increase the coin's value if present. At first glance, the 1958 D Lincoln Wheat Penny may not seem rare, as over 800 million were minted. However, rarity in coin collecting is not solely determined by mintage numbers. Instead, it depends on survival rates, condition, and collector demand. High-grade examples of the 1958 D penny are relatively scarce, especially those that have been well preserved over decades. Circulated coins are more common, but even these are sought after by collectors looking to complete their wheat penny sets. The demand for wheat pennies remains strong because they represent a significant period in U.S. history. The 1958 D coin, being the final issue, holds special appeal. Many collectors specifically seek out this coin to complete their collection, driving up its desirability. Additionally, error coins from this year are extremely valuable and rare. Some known error variants have sold for thousands of dollars at auction, making collectors eager to examine even ordinary-looking pennies closely. When it comes to value, the condition of the coin plays a major role. A typical 1958 D Lincoln Wheat Penny in circulated condition is generally worth between $9 million depending on its level of wear. While this may not sound impressive, it's still several times its face value. Coins in better circulated condition, such as extremely fine or about uncirculated, can fetch between $99,000 million. Uncirculated examples, especially those with strong luster and minimal marks, can be worth $10,000 million or more. However, the real excitement lies in rare error coins. A 1958 double die obverse penny, though extremely rare, has sold for $89 million in pristine condition. While most 1958 D coins won't reach these prices, it shows the potential hidden in these small copper coins. Auction results vary based on grading, eye appeal, and rarity. Coins certified by professional grading services tend to command higher prices, as buyers trust their authenticity and condition. If you're interested in collecting 1958 D Lincoln Wheat Pennies, there are several important tips to keep in mind. First, always examine your coins carefully under good lighting. Look for details such as mint marks, wear patterns, and any unusual features. Avoid cleaning your coins, as this can significantly reduce their value. Collectors prefer coins in their original condition, even if they appear dirty or worn. Consider investing in a magnifying glass or coin loop to inspect fine details. This can help you identify potential errors or high-quality specimens. Storing your coins properly is also essential. Use coin holders, albums, or protective cases to prevent damage from moisture, air, and handling. If you believe you found a rare or valuable coin, consider having it graded by a professional service. This can increase its market value and make it easier to sell. Finally, stay informed. Coin values can change over time based on market demand, so keeping up with trends and auction results can help you make better collecting decisions. The 1958 Lincoln Wheat Penny may seem like a simple coin, but it carries a rich history and potential value that makes it worth a closer look. As the final year of the Wheat Penny series, it holds a special place in the hearts of collectors. Even in circulated condition, these coins can be valuable, especially if they are well preserved or contain rare errors. So next time you come across an old penny, don't ignore it. Take a moment to examine it. You might just be holding a small piece of history that's worth far more than you think. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check your change. You never know what treasures you might find.